are Euro 2, Euro 5 compliant.
Is there any follows an exhaust of checking the exhaust maintenance is
This
different.
maintenance time they are checking this all what there is.
So that is maintenance I have already put here. And I say, I mean, fuel efficient vehicle. I can say fuel efficient vehicle.
You cannot. This is not fuel efficient.
Only two preventive measures. Monitoring, regular monitoring.
Is there any like you are switching off the vehicles and not use? Any policies there? Or keep it on live when people go on lunch and still implement like?
I did not. That's we do not make any policy, but it's a common rules we are inspecting to the workplace during the tool was time. Daily inspection checklist, daily inspection by the operator itself.
I think we can find the first list.
Because there is sometime in the company there are some policy like if vehicle is not in use, we switch off. Like suppose I'm doing something, we switch off and go outside. But it happens, it's okay. It's up to 3 months.
Unwanted use. Unwanted use.
So I'm going for water drinking and we will keep on running for 5 times.
During the safety condition time, we are instructing the.
But there is a policy. It is like without return sort of thing.
And I am very sure all vehicles are health tested. I mean, approved vehicle.
Yes.
I would say approved vehicle is also.
Safe information for anyone that can do this, or what
Approved vehicles.
But there is no separated
There is a
policy.
policy, sir. There is a policy.
Written policy is not there, but it's.
I think guys, if you see here, I have put maintenance inspection, low sulfur diesel fuel, and daily inspection of the vehicle, for vehicle, and equipment.
Machine is good. Machine is covered vehicle and equipment. Overall machine is like
Equipment, and approved vehicles and equipment, right?
Okay.
This is correct. And you are doing only regular monitoring.
Yes.
This is okay. I mean, we don't have much control. And use of DG set, I will put the same thing.
But what's the ranking? You are doing ranking also the same.
Sorry?
Ranking is there. Is
Ranking, yeah, ranking, we have to do it here. So this is the plan. I would say it's still a minor, or one, I can put notable. And
considering number of vehicles, this is not a one or two. We are talking about big heavy vehicles now.
okay. Minor.
Yeah.
Okay. And probability is certain, we know it.
But what is
short
this
term.
project? Less than 1 year.
Yeah, less than 1 week or less than, I would say the effect of the, air pollution. If I'm using a vehicle, there is exhaust. The exhaust, what comes in the environment, will disperse in within a
That
minute.
is momentary.
I will put moment, right? So this is correct, and we are happy. We are happy, to be honest. For diesel also, diesel engine also, we'll put the same thing, use of DG set for power generation may impact the air quality by generating air quality. So this is also plant activity. These all are the same. And we have the maintenance, use of diesel.
Rest of the vehicle you put DG sets.
Sorry?
Put DG sets.
Yeah, DG, yes. Set, equipment.
That list also there, right?